everybody, welcome back to Code Arena. I am Amina and today we are going to learn buttons in HTML. So let's go. We are having the HTML5 and inside this we are having buttons. So basically this is the look of buttons. There is an opening tag and there is an closing tag. And inside this we are having a written text which is called by, and this output will be like this. This will be a small button and this will be clicked also, but nothing will happen. So let's do it in the code. First of all, we'll comment this all. Basically comment means this will not show it in our web page. So firstly, as written, we'll just write button and we'll just click enter. And then we are having the by option. So let's write by. Okay, let's close this. We are having this small little button. It is hovering also, but nothing will happen. Now I have a quick challenge for you. Hopefully it will be easy for you. We are having just hey there, and inside this we are having you have been granted access to the platform. Please create your account. You just need to make a sign up button and you need to add an heading, and below this heading you can add h4 tag or h3 tag, whichever suits in this picture. All the best, make it. And after you make it, I will show you the solution as well. Okay, so let's go to the solution. Firstly, we'll comment this out and we are having hey there. So we'll just add an heading and we'll write here hey there. And below this we can write h3 tag and we can just write here you have been granted access to the platform. Please create an account. Okay, and then the main thing, which is to make the button. So we'll just write here button and inside it we'll write here sign up. So let's save this. Wow, we are having the perfect look. I know the font is not same, but when we'll learn about CSS, we'll go to the font also. Okay, so we are perfectly done. Thank you so much for watching, everyone.